Hey everyone, this is Ed Rivera. Hey, in this video I'm going to cover a 6-step framework. 6 steps to improve your digital marketing. It's a framework that I always use with customers and clients in workshops or what have you. So that I always break down the strategy so I can help them in their digital marketing efforts. So let's get started here. So the first one is formulation. Formulation is that you look at all the platforms that you want to use in marketing your business and you pick 4. 4 will form the foundation. I call it the core 4 or your digital marketing stack. If you look at my previous videos, I cover that in more detail. But let's just say it's the core 4, your digital marketing stack. And it could be a website platform, a video platform, it can be an ads platform, and an email platform. What you want to do is you want to just formulate 4 of them, bring them together that will form the foundation for your digital marketing efforts to market your business. You start with 4, and once you become pretty good with those 4, then you can start building on that and use other platforms. Maybe you want to use Instagram, if you're not using it as part of the original 4, Instagram video, Snapchat, LinkedIn, whatever the platforms that you're not using as the original 4, you can start building on them. But I always say formulate the 4, the core 4. Start with that. That'll form your foundation to market your business. The second step is integration. What you want to do is once you have those platforms in place that you're going to use, you want them to make sure that they work independently of each other, but you also want to make sure that they are integrated, because integrating those platforms where they work together with each other will make your digital marketing efforts that much more powerful, because now they're integrated and working well, not just independently, but working well together. So let's get those platforms working well together. Let's integrate them and get them working well. The third step is automation. This is where things start to get interesting. So what you want to do is once you have the platforms in place, you want to integrate them, and then you also want to automate them as much as possible. So let me give you an example here. So first, let's say if you do email marketing, which I hope you do, what you can do is you can actually automate your email marketing efforts. You can use platforms like Infusionsoft, Aweber, HubSpot. There are a lot of platforms out there. There are digital marketing, automation platforms, software services that you can use to market your business via email, and you can put it on automation. You want to automate those services. You can also use chatbot. What you want to do is you want to have a chatbot on your website, chatbot on your Facebook page, and you can automate these chatbots. Now, there are many services out there like Chatfield, ManyChat, that you can actually click and drag and drop or what have you and build those chatbots. You don't need to know code. Absolutely do not. You can build those chatbots on your own. What they do is they can provide many services, but one of the things they provide is customer service. So you can automate your customer service through those chatbots on your Facebook fan page and your website. And again, that's another part of your digital marketing puzzle that you can automate. So the third service is automation. That's the third step in this 6-step framework to improve your digital marketing. This is a great framework. I use it all the time. But automation is step number 3. 4 is organization. Again, your 4th step is organization. What you want to do is once you start using all these platforms in your website, ads, and some of the other platforms that you want to use, or whatever your core 4 is, or whatever platform you're using, they're going to produce a lot of data. What you want to do is you want to take that data and you want to organize it. You want to maybe compartmentalize it. Somehow, some way, you want to split the data up and organize it so that you're going to be able to study the data. But before you can study, again, the 4th step is to organize your data. That's a very important step. 5th step is interpretation. Now, you take the data. Maybe you've compartmentalized the data to however way you need to use it. You've segregated data into different departments. What you want to do is you want to study the data, because these platforms are going to produce a lot of data, but you want to get the data together. You want to organize it. You want to interpret the data. Figure out what exactly is the data telling you. What type of information is it providing you? Maybe it'll tell you where your customers are coming from, what's the most popular page on your website. Similar analytics is what country are they coming from, what products are they most interested in, are they buying particular products, are they actually putting products in the cart, for example, but abandoning the cart. So some of this data you need to look at and study and figure out the data, interpret the data, and then maybe you can start taking action on some of that data. but you really need to organize it and interpret the data. Figure out exactly what the data is telling you. That's very important. That's the fifth step. Now the sixth step and the last step of the six-step framework is extraction. This is where it makes a difference. All of your marketing efforts will come down to this. You want to extract insights. Because once you organize the data, you interpret the data, figure out what the data is telling you, then you want to extract insights. Where do these insights start to originate from? Well, you're looking at consumer behavior. What you want to do is you want to look at how are consumers interacting with your product or service. What's the behavior that the consumer is displaying when they're interacting with your business or your product or service? And you want to extract insights. What is the data? Not only is it what is it telling you, but what is it trying to tell you to do that will benefit your business? Because once you extract these insights, you want to make business decisions that support business objectives. Because after all, you want to get leads and customers from all your marketing efforts, but you want to make sure that they have an impact on your business objectives. So once again, this is a six-step framework. This is a framework, a good start, and it does a lot for you, for your business and your marketing efforts. So you may want to try to study this, look at it, figure out how to apply it to your business. It's a great framework, and it will help you, again, make business decisions that support business objectives to get more leads, more customers, have an impact on your business, and help it grow. I'm Ed Rivera. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the internet.